It's a 15 Mercedes-Benz E-Class with the original ambient lighting. But the original light bar has deteriorated and the light is very dim and unbalanced. We're now replacing it with a LED strip. Replacing the light bar will result in a more balanced and brighter light. All original locations with light bars need to be replaced with footwell light, and the color change is synchronized with the ambient lighting. Dual with pull handle light, light bar, storage box light. There are 19 lights and 19 colors in total. And it's the original steering wheel controls. Okay, let's see the results.
Better watch,